next question. This is the question number 32 for electrical 2020, and Raman, Fizur, Saman, they are from Jaipur, and one student she is from Bharatpur, Tamanna, and they have asked this question. It has come in electrical engineering 2020. So I will explain all the problems related to this question. The question is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a polynomial on real x over real coefficient. Real coefficient means a, b, c, d. All are belong to real number. Where a is not equal to 0 means this is not equal to 0. It means that this is not the monic polynomial. If a is equal to 1, then this is the monic polynomial. If a is not equal to 0, it means that the degree of such polynomial is 3. Okay. So he is asking, so there are total number of 3 roots. Now he is asking find true. The first condition, C alone cannot ensure that all roots are real. Number first. Second, no choice of coefficient can make all roots identical. Third, A, B, C, D can be chosen to ensure that all roots are complex. And D can be chosen to ensure that x is equal to 0 is a root for any given set A, B, C. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? At first, I will give you some notes. These are important notes, and by the help of these notes, if the examiner he will change the question, then you can also solve any type of question. The first note, you must note it. You have already studied in your 12th standard. The question is, if fx is a continuous in closed interval AB and fa and fb have different sign, then fx is equal to 0 has at least one real root between a and b. Second, if alpha plus I beta is a root, then alpha minus I beta is also a root of any polynomial. Third one is every equation of odd degree has at least one real root. And fourth one, the equation fx is equal to 0 cannot have more positive roots than the changes of sign in fx. I will clear after some time, okay, this topic. And last, if an equation of nth degree has at most p positive root and q negative roots, then the equation has at least n minus p plus q imaginary root. So what is the meaning of this 4 and 5? I will explain by the help of example. So in this question, this is sufficient to give the answer. Why? Because this polynomial, it has also odd degree. If it has odd degree, okay, and this is also important. Only these two notes are important to solve this question. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So a is not equal to 0. It means that it has degree odd. Odd means 3. Okay. So there are total number of 3 roots. Okay. So according to our notes equation, every equation of odd degree has at least one real root. It means that it has one real root. Okay. At least. Okay. So at least one real root. Now if others are complex, so we have written if alpha plus I beta is a root, then alpha minus I beta is also a root. It means that for the complex you have a pair, such type of pair where alpha beta belong to real number, means plus minus I, okay, plus minus 2i or 1 plus minus 5i, any type of such type of form you will get. You can also check if you have x square is equal to minus 1. So it means that x is equal to plus minus I. You can see. So every time if you have a complex root, then you have a pair. So there are total number of 3 roots. If one real root, okay, there is at least one real root. So if other roots are not real, it means that will be complex and these 2 will be complex. So in this condition, the first one, no choice of coefficient can make all the roots are identical. no choice of coefficient can make all the roots are identical. This is wrong. Okay, he is saying that you can take any value, then the roots cannot identical. Okay, so this is wrong answer. And second one, A, B, C, D can be chosen to ensure that all the roots are complex. It is impossible. Why? Because complex are in pair. Okay, so there are total number 3 roots. So all roots cannot complex. So this is also wrong. Okay, now third one is C alone cannot ensure that all the roots are real. Okay, and third one is, and D one is, D can be chosen to ensure that x is equal to 0 is a root for any given set this. Suppose D is equal to 0. In this condition you have ax cube plus bx square plus cx is equal to 0. Now let take x is equal to common. So you have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It means that x is equal to 0 is a root in this condition. So he has written D can be chosen to ensure that x is equal to 0 is a root for any given set ABC. Yes, no problem. If you write D is equal to 0, then you are getting x is equal to 0 is a root. So there is no problem. So this answer is correct. Now the last one, C alone cannot ensure that all roots are real. All root, this is not guarantee that all the roots are, even you are writing C, if C is 0 or you are writing C any value. Okay, so it is impossible to get all the roots are complex. This is impossible. Or it is impossible also to get all the roots are real. Okay, it's depend on the condition, which type of polynomial you have. Okay, so that this answer may be correct or may be not correct. So this is 100% correct. So your answer is this. Now, so we have given you some notes. These are very important if the examiner will change. Okay, now I will solve this 4 and 5 problem. At first I will erase it. I will take some example to clear your concept. So Fiju, you must note it. You have also many query, okay, on such type of problem. So I will solve one question. The question is, you have suppose this f of x. This also come in your last year in your exam, minus 5x plus 2. Okay, you have this polynomial. Okay, now it is asking where the roots can lie. Okay, you have to find it. So at first you have written f of x is equal to x ki power this, f of minus x is equal to, so this is minus x ki power 5 minus plus 5x plus 2. So how many change of sign there are? This is positive, this is negative, and this is negative, this is positive. So there are total number of 2 sign change. Okay, 2 sign change, 2 positive. Okay, so and if you are putting here x is equal to minus x, in this condition 1 sign change, 1 sign change. So there are, what we have written, the equation fx is equal to 0 cannot have more than positive roots than the changes of sign. So there are total number of 2 positive roots and 1 negative roots for this polynomial. So how to find? So now if you are putting x is equal to minus 2, suppose you will write x is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now you will check f of x is equal to, if you will put minus 2 here, then you are getting, already we have solved, this is negative, minus v in this condition. If you will put minus here, then you are getting again plus v. Okay, and here in the third, if you are putting 0, then this is plus v, and if you are putting 1, then this is minus v. You can check 1 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus. Okay, and this is plus v. So we have written if fx is a continuous function in interval ab, every polynomial is continuous. F and fb have different sign. So this here is sign is minus and here sign is plus. It means that one root will lie between two interval, minus 2 and 1. Again, this is positive, no root lie. here one root lie between this interval 0 and 1. Again this is minus plus, one root lie between this interval. So the roots will lie minus 1 and second 0 and 1 and third 1 and 2. So your all the roots, there are total number of 5 roots and 3 real roots will lie between these interval, and other remaining roots it will be lie, I don't know, maybe these are the complex or maybe I don't know. Okay, so there are total number of 2 positive roots and 1 negative roots. I think that you understand. Now we will take next question, and these are the exactly 3 real roots and the interval are this. There are exactly 3 roots lie between these intervals. Exactly, you must understand, at least, exactly, and at most. What is the meaning of at most? What is the meaning of at most? At most means, suppose I have at most 2 pen. It means that maybe either I have 0 pen or 1 pen or 2 pen. What is the meaning of exactly 2 pen? I have 2 pen. And what is the meaning of at least 2 pen? Maybe I have 2 pen or 3 pen, 5 pen, 10 pen, 100 pen, infinite pen. It can possible. So this is the meaning of, so exactly means there are exactly 3 roots will lie in this interval. Okay. Now the second question, if you do not understand, second question is this. Second question is this. They have asked f of x is equal to this is x की power 5 minus 80x plus 6. Now he is asking find the roots. So at first you have to differentiate this function. F dash x is equal to 5x की power 4 minus 80. Okay. Now after then that actually this is dy by dx. Okay, if the function y is the function of x, you differentiate, then this is equal to 0. Then 5x की power 4 is equal to 80. Then x की power 4 is equal to 80 upon 5. Okay. Then you will get something. Or you can write 5x की power 4 minus, you can write 16 is equal to 0. It implies that x की power 4 is equal to 16. Okay. So, or you can write this, or you can write this. No need to just solve it. You can write 5x minus 2 x plus 2. Okay. You can write, or x square plus 4. X square plus 4 is equal to 0. So from this you can find total number of the value of x where the function can be maximum or minimum. So now you know that f dash x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 2 and minus 2. X is equal to 2 and minus 2. If you put, then your f dash x is equal to 0. So here your maximum or minimum value may be lie or may be saddle point. Now I will find sine of f of x. Sine of f of x is equal to. So at first we will check at infinite, at minus 2 and 2 and infinite. Your function, if we put minus infinite, your function it will be minus negative. Here negative. If you put minus 2, you can put minus 2. Then again you will get positive. You can put minus 2. And here minus 2. And here plus 6. So this is positive and negative, and this overall positive. Then after then this is negative, and this is, you can solve it. This is positive. Okay. So there is one sign change, one sign change, one sign change. So total 3 sign change. It means that one root will lie here, one root will lie here, and one root will lie here. So how many roots are here? There are total number of 5 roots and 3 real roots. Exactly 3 real roots will lie between this interval. The interval is minus infinite to minus 2, and second minus 2 to 2. Second interval, one roots will lie here, one roots will lie here, and third root it will lie here. I think that you understand. So there are total number of 3 roots will lie in this interval. So there are 5 roots, maybe the remaining roots, these are complex, and complex roots are in pairs. Okay, so now I will solve the last question, and this question it has come in your IIT JEE. Okay, we are solving all the types of questions for the GATE exam, IIT JEE exam, GATE exam, NAPTEL exam. For all types of problems we are solving. The examiner, he can ask any type of question. So your concept, it must be clear. We have written all the notes. No one can ask the questions from outside. If you know all the notes related to this problem. Okay. So the last question, you have to understand the method, how to solve such type of problem. So during your exam, you will be never stuck. So the last example is, he is asking f of x is equal to x की power 3 minus 3x plus k. This question it has come in your IIT JEE. Okay. So all same question it has come also in GATE exam. They have asked the beta in place of here beta they have written, and they have changed the value. Same question they have asked. That question it is, I am reading, find the range of value of k for which all the roots of following equation are real. The question is, again I will write the question, I will read the question. Find the range of values of k for which all the roots of following equation are real. So we have to find total number of roots. You know that the degree of this polynomial is 3. It means that there are total number of 3 roots. One root it will be real, that is 100% guarantee, because we have written every equation of odd degree has at least one real root. Same question in 2019 or 18 in GATE exam they have asked same question. Every equation of odd degree has at least one real root, you must note it. So there are one real root, so we have to find the remaining roots. These are complex or real, we have to check it. So at first we will write f dash x. Okay, so this is 3x square minus 3, okay, is equal to 0. It means that 3x square is equal to 3 and x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, solve, no problem. So there are total number of plus 1, minus 1, and the third root that is also real. So there are total number of 3 roots, but he is asking find the range of k. He is asking find the range of k. He is asking find the range of k for which all the roots of the following equation are real. The question is different because it has come in IIT JEE. Okay. So how to solve it? So I will write f of x is equal to, okay, I will write f of x is equal to, so your value this is plus 1 minus 1. So at first I will write minus infinite, minus 1, 0, 1, and okay, no problem, and infinite. Okay, we have written. So these two value I have written, and one value also we have written, and we are checking at infinite, we are checking at positive infinite. This is plus infinite. Okay, means any bigger value, any undefined value. Okay, so at this point you have to find, this is x, x is equal to this. Okay, f of x is equal to, if you will put minus infinite, then what will happen? So that is also minus v. Even k is greater value, that is also undefined value, that is undefined. Okay, that is undefined value. Okay, we don't know about this. You can write also this is also undefined. No problem, we don't know about it. What about this minus 1? If you are putting minus 1, then minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 or plus k. So this is minus, this is, sorry, minus 1, this is plus. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 plus k. So this is 2 plus k. Okay, we will not check at here. Okay, we will check at x is equal to plus 1 minus 1. If you put 1, so 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus k. And here just leave it. We have to check the range. We know that there are total number of 3 roots. One root is 1 and second root is minus 1, and the third root that is also real, but I don't know about this. we are finding the range of k. ठीक है. So if this is negative, suppose this is positive, if this is negative, so definitely it will be positive because the roots lie between this and this. Okay, so this is a positive, negative, and this is positive. Okay, this is positive, this is definitely it will be negative because one root may be lie between here. There are total number 3 roots. One root is this, second root is this. I don't know where the roots lie. We have to find where the roots lie. Okay, so if this is negative, then this will be positive, and this is negative and this is positive. One root, so one root will lie here, one root will lie here, and one root will lie here. Here are total number of 3 roots. Okay, so the root, when you are writing dy by dx is equal to 0, so at that point your function may be maximum or minimum. Means your function, it will change the sign at this point. What is the definition of maxima or minima? You just go there. So at this point you are finding the maxima and minima of such type of function. At this point maybe the function is maximum, minimum or saddle point. Maybe. So maximum means at this point your function is going to maximum point. At this point -1 your function is going to minimum point. Or maybe this is saddle point. Saddle point means there is no changes. So one root will lie here, one root will lie here, one root will lie here. So it means that if this is positive, then 2 plus k is greater than 0, and if this is negative, then 2 plus minus k is less than 0. So it means that your k, it will be lie between this. Your k, it will be lie between this. I think that you understand. So the range of k is -2 to 2. So your answer, it will be either this or this. We don't know, but this is the correct answer. Okay, so your range is -2 to 2. Okay, so same question they have asked in your GATE exam. Okay, so you must note it. All the questions, these are very important for your competitive exam, for the NAPTEL exam, for the IIT JEE exam. Okay, and we have given you all the tricks. Okay, now the second question, already we have also discussed how many change of sign. At last I will solve another question, maybe this topic, these two topics. Okay, the last question is, this is very important. The question is this: f of x is equal to 12x की power 7 minus x की power 5 plus 4x की power 3 minus 15. Okay, how to check the change of sign? So f of x, this is positive, so this is positive, this is negative, 1. Okay, minus plus, this is 1, and plus minus, this is 1. So there are total number of 3 plus v. Change of sign: plus minus 1, minus plus 1, and plus minus 1. So there are total number of 3 change of sign for the positive v. Now for negative v, you have to write, in place of x you have to write minus x. Then you are getting minus 12 x की power 7. This is negative. I don't know what the value, but this is negative definitely, because this x की power 7. So minus, this is minus. So again minus plus, this is plus. Okay, and this is again this is negative. So this is negative, minus 4 x की power 3, and already this is negative. So how many change of sign? One is change of sign and one is change of sign. So there are total number of 2 change of sign for negative v. So 2 minus v. Okay, so you will write 3 change of sign for the positive. So there are total number of 3 positive roots, and there are total number of 3 negative roots. Okay, so it cannot have more than 2 negative roots. It means that it will have 3 positive root. This polynomial cannot take more than 3 positive root. This polynomial cannot take more than 3 negative roots. You have seen the roots are maybe this, in complex or real, I don't know. but total number of positive roots are 3 and total number of negative roots are 2. Now, at last we have written if an equation of n degree has at most p positive root and q negative roots, then the equation has at least n minus p plus q imaginary roots. How many imaginary roots lie for such type of polynomial? So, in this equation, we don't know about the coefficient of a, b, c, d because they have not given us. Maybe these are negative, positive, I don't know about this. But suppose we will think a, b, c, d all are positive. In this condition, your positive roots, if all are positive, then your positive roots is 0. Change of sign, there is no negative, so change of sign, this is 0. And q, change of sign, there is also no negative sign, so that is also 0. So n minus 0 is equal to at least means total number of 3 complex root in this condition. If you will write a, b, c, d all are positive, in this condition there are total number of 3 complex root. But it is impossible, okay, because this is x की power 3 or so there are total number of 1 real root. It has at least 1 real root. So 1 real root, or according to this definition, maybe it has 2 complex root. Okay, according to this definition. So such type of polynomial, maybe it will take at least 1 real root and the remaining 2 roots may be imaginary and may be complex. We don't know about this. It's depend on the condition. So we have solved all the type of problems. I think that you understand. Tamanna, I think that you understand. So one again, the message we have got. Okay, no problem. Aarti, she is from Alwar. She has asked one question for the integration. She has problem on integration, so we will also solve such type of problem. Okay.